This is Matt. Matt needs his car serviced.
Hey, man. Hey, I was just wondering, where do you get your car serviced? Yeah, Dad helped out last time, so I think it was September. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, dude, that's still too far. Hang on a second. Oh, I've just found one closer. Thanks, though. I'll talk to you later. Cheers. Bye. Hey, how are you? My car is due for a service. The engine's making weird noises. Can we do it today at all? Sorry for the rush. 2 p.m. Could it be any later? And what's the quote?
It seems like Matt is having a really tough
Early
time.
next week?
Solution: Repairy.